Hi again. In the previous video, we sent data into call using API trigger and initial context. Now let's see the opposite side, how Dograh sends extracted data back to your system after call ends. In this example, the user says they will pay full amount tomorrow. Inside that disclosure node, variable extraction is enabled. We are extracting fields like the amount user will pay, payment method, sentiment, confidence score, and the next steps. So from the sentence, I'll pay full amount tomorrow, Dograh can extract amount user will pay, full balance, payment method not specified, sentiment analysis cooperative, confidence score based on the conversation. Next steps will be follow up tomorrow, that is the day user promised to pay. This extracted data is stored in gathered context. So the flow is simple. Initial context is data your backend sends into the call. Gathered context is data Dograh extracts from the call. Now, to send gathered context back, we use webhook node. To add a webhook node, you just have to click on this button, add node, scroll down and you will find the webhook node there. Let's just open it. So first thing you'll see is the endpoint URL. Paste your backend webhook URL here. But for now, I'm testing, I'm using webhook.site link. So you just have to go to webhook.site and right here you can copy your unique URL and paste it into Dograh. So make sure the method should be post. And if your backend needs any kind of auth, add bearer token or API key right here. So now the payload template, that is the important part. It decides what JSON Dograh sends. So here I'm sending the initial context like debtor name, client name and debt amount, and gathered context like amount user will pay, payment method, sentiment, etc. that we just now discussed. Make sure that the variable names match your context fields exactly. So after changing the webhook settings and payload, save the webhook node and click on publish. Now let's test.
Am I speaking with Russia?
Yes.
Thanks. I'm calling about your quick credit account with an outstanding balance of $3,500.
Yes, I'm going to pay it full tomorrow.
Thank you. Have a good day.
So now the testing is done and let's just go back to webhook.site to see if we have got the request. So here you can see a request. And this JSON has both initial context which we sent into the call and gathered context which Dograh extracted from the conversation. So the complete loop is backend sends initial context into Dograh, Dograh runs calls and extracts gathered context. Webhook node sends final structured data back to your backend. And for production usage, replace webhook.site URL with your actual backend URL. So in the next video, we are going to cover how to set up telephony on Dograh. And that's it for today. I'll see you next time.